Punta muna tayo sa pre-event, what to wear. Mabilis lang to mga kapatid. Sana lagay natin sa ating mga kaisipan ang mga bagay na ito para hindi sayang yung preparation ng ating mga kapatid. Sila ay mga manggagawa at mga ministro at nagnanais na dumalo ng malalaking gawain, pero sila ay wala para sa atin. Okay, ministers' new uniform, ito po ay color-coded. Actually, binigyan na ang ating mga area coordinators ng mga ganito. Kaya dapat lagi tayong magtatanong sa kanila. Okay? Ang minister's pin, ang ating wristband, yung wristband na yan, ito po yung inilalagay sa ating wrist, ito po ay niro-roll. Corsage, Bible, clutch bag, pouch, small bag. Members, sila po ay color green, isuot ang pinakamabuti sa linggo. At visitors, guests, sila po ay kulay dilaw. Meron po silang sticker na ito ay prinobide na po natin na kulay dilaw. Ano po ang isusuot? Sa mga babae ay bawal po ang mga pointed heels. Bawal po iyan. Mas maganda na flat po. Baka po natin masira ang tartan, mas mahal po ang ating babayaran. Ano po ang mga dadalhin? What to bring? Ang ating flaglet, Bible, notebook, food and water, foldable umbrella, not pointed, hand fans or handheld mini fans, pamaypay po yan, face mask, face towel, personal trash bag. Yan. Siguro maganda, marami to, may maliit na backpack. Prohibited items, alam po natin yan. Ang mga pointed materials, barel, gunting, bawal magdala po ng mga ating alagang aso. Okay? No exception will be made. At least alam po natin lahat to. Okay. Health and safety. Brethren are encouraged to do their own health check and observe personal practices like wearing masks for their own health and safety. Yan. Hindi po inaalaw na sumali ang ating mga kapatid na may mga serious illnesses, medical condition, contagious illnesses, high-risk pregnancy or nearing childbirth, post-surgery and hospital admission. Ang mga elderly, pregnant women, brethren with medical condition or disabilities who still wish to join must declare their condition before attending the event. So yung mga may medical condition at nagtitake ng kanilang medication, i-take na po natin bago ang event. Ito po ay mahalaga, itong responsibilidad natin sa ating mga bata upang maiwasan, alalahanin po natin sa tuwing event may nawawalang mga bata. Ngayon, ang ating bata, pag ito ay 10 years old and below, nag-provide po tayo ng ID. Dapat po ang bata na 13 years and below ay magsuot ng ID na nandoon ang kanyang information. At ito ay suot-suot if ever na siya po ay mawala. Alam nyo, minsan sasabihin natin na, hindi mawawala yan. Alam nyo, ang mga bata, malilikot ho yan eh. At minsan nawawala tayo sa ating mga sarili. Hawak-hawak natin yung bata. Mamaya yung hawak-hawak natin bata, hindi pala natin anak. Sa iba na pala yun, nagkapalit. Okay, at ito ay aming karanasan, kaya binigyan po natin ng ID at ito ay karanasan natin, alalahanin natin, nung nasa Luneta tayo, napakaraming bata ang nawawala. Ngayon, kung yun ay inyong pinamimigay na, huwag niyo nang ID-han. Okay, food and beverages. Tayo po ay may mga, magdala po tayo, pero if ever na hindi po tayo magdadala, meron po tayong mga concessionary. Yan. Ito po ay magbebenta sila from 9 a.m. to 12 midnight. Yan. So, maaaring madagdagan pa po ito. Ito po ay mahalaga. Clean as you go must be observed. Bring your own trash bag. Mahirap mga kapatid na una, ang mga kapatid, sila rin yung unang dumating, sila rin yung huling aalis. sapagkat they will see to it na maayos, malinis ang ating pinaggamitan upang magkaroon tayo ng magandang patotoo. Baka hindi na natin magamit uli yung NCC. So mahalaga mga kapatid, sapagkat ito ay alam naman natin ang kalinisan ay pangunahin sa atin. Okay, wag po tayo magkakalat. Sabihin sa mga kapatid, bawal ang magkalat. Ito po ang ating mga concessionaires. Okay, punta na po tayo sa event day. Para magkasya po ang ating oras. The event will be held at New Clark City Athletic Stadium, Capas, Tarlac. Nandito po ang Google Maps pin at ang Waze pin para hindi po tayo maligaw. See to it ang ating GPS ay calibrated. Baka kung saan po tayo dalhin yan. Okay? I-calibrate natin, at least nakikita, hindi covered siya. Ito po ang mga ruta natin. At we recommend delegates coming from the north to take the SC Tex Concepcion Magalang exit. Proceed to MacArthur Highway southbound, then take Capas Cleverleaf interchange going to the access road. Yung mga delegado po from South Metro Manila may take SC Tex Dolores exit. Proceed to MacArthur Highway northbound, then take Capas Cleverleaf interchange going to the access road. Yan. Travel plans, please keep in mind the possibility of passing through toll booths along the way. To avoid any inconvenience, please prepare enough cash on hand to load your auto sweep and easy trip. Ito ay pwede po natin kunin sa 7-Eleven. Yung mga sasakyan nyo, iloadan nyo na para doon na kayo pipila sa may RFID. Ngayon, kung wala talaga, hindi kayo nakapag-prepare, medyo mabagal kasi by cash. Yan, para mabawasan yung oras. Okay? Narito po ang ating mapa ng vehicle entry point. Pakitawag nga si Pastor Rex, Pastor Rose at Sister Daphne, pumunta rito sa harap. All vehicles must enter through the main entrance and pass through the checkpoints. The image below is the entry route for vehicles that will enter the New Clark City Stadium between 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. Hindi ba pwedeng ilagay sa malaki yan para mas malaki siya? Ito po ay ating uulitin sa mga kapatid sa darating na convention. Ito po ang entry routes. Yung una po ay 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. Yan po yung una. Makikita nyo from NCC SC Tex Gate. Okay, pag ganon. Tingnan po natin yung 1 to, yung isa. Yung susunod, 1. O yun, sa halip na kumanan, pag ganon, dumiretso, pag ganon, pakanan, pabaliktad. Yung checkpoint, kaya tingnan nyo po yung inyong mga oras. Alam nyo mga kapatid, may ganito, para sa kaayusan. Pag wala po tayong ganito, gugulo po tayo doon, chaos ang mangyayari. Okay? Ipakita po ang ating mga car pass. Punta po tayo sa vehicle entry. Please ensure that the car stickers, car pass are placed on the windshield for pass identification. Makikita po natin ang lane ng VIP, regular vehicle at bus lane. Yan. Ang car pass po ay ipinamahagi na po natin sa mga gagamit ng sasakyan. Ang parking po ay narito. They will guided by our traffic security blue guards who are in charge of all parking areas. All vehicles parking position should be combat parking. Ngayon po mga kapatid, yung ating mga dinesignate na mga traffic enforcer, sundin po natin. Huwag na ho tayo makipagtalo, makipag-away. Hahaba pa eh. Sila po ang nag-aayos at sila po ay na-orient na kung paano ang mga gagawin. Okay? Huwag po tayong basta-basta magda-drop off. Okay. Balik po tayo dun sa una. Balik po tayo dun sa una ng 7 to 1 p.m. Yan. Ito po ang rota natin sapagkat iniiwas po tayo. Meron po kasing Ford event na sa umaga. Kaya ito ay iniiwas tayo para hindi sila ma-traffic, tayo rin ay hindi ma-traffic. Ito ay hand-in-hand coordination sa NCC. So alalahanin natin, may isa pang event nung umaga, kaya kailangan natin sundin yung flow ng ating traffic. Okay? Able delegate must walk to the nearest entrance gate. Disabled, pregnant, and elderly may use the shuttle that will be provided. Shuttle route will be one way only before the start of the event from the parking area to the gates. Okay, punta na tayo ngayon sa event day on site. Stadium gates will be open at 11 a.m. Gates B, D, E, and F are for Brethren's entry. Yan po, nakadesignate po yan. Yan. So wag po tayong pupunta doon sa A, C, A and C. Yan. Yan ay sa production team at yung isa ay sa VIP. Para maiwasan ang congestion, sana po masundan natin yung kung saan po tayo papasok. Okay? So each entrance will have 4 entry lanes for proper security screening. Brethren must follow the direction of our crowd control officers. Brethren must prepare to present their lanyard and colored wristband upon entry. Yan na po yun. Registration table, regular entry lane, priority. Okay. Our registration booth and help desk area will be available at each stadium gate to assist delegates for registration event concern. A priority lane will be assigned for elderly, pregnant women, and person with disabilities. Please approach the blue guard if special assistance is needed. Strictly no pets allowed. Ibigay nyo muna sa mga kamag-anak nyo yung aso nyo. Kung may mga... Okay. Yung help desk ay... ito po ang ating pagtatanungan sa ating anumang problema. Okay, ang seating arrangement po natin after passing the entry lanes, brethren, will be guided by our crowd control officers toward their respective bay. Ang crowd control officers ay huwag niyong kokontrolin. Yung iba, yung kinokontrol yung officer, yung crowd officer. Hindi po. Susunod po tayo kung saan po tayo dalhin. Okay? Brethren must proceed to their respective bay where ushers will direct them to their respective seats. Okay? Elderly, pregnant women, brethren will medical condition or disabilities will be directed to their designated area. Yan. Brethren must strictly follow direction of crowd control officers and ushers. Kaya paalalahanan natin ang ating mga kapatid na maging masunurin sa ikaayos ng gawain ng Panginoon. Okay? Seating arrangement ng event site. Pakita po natin. Yan o, A, B, B. Makikita naman ho yan, napakalaki ho yan. Hindi nyo mamimiss. Okay? Ngayon, meron po tayong spillover area. Kung if ever na tayo po ay, kaya first come, first serve, no, basis. Ushers will be mandate the seating arrangement and monitor the number of occupied and available seats. No reserving of seats allowed. Once the stadium reaches its maximum seating capacity, the blue guards and the crowd control officers will stop stadium entry in all gates for arriving delegates. Standing inside the stadium will not be allowed. Blue guards, crowd control officers, and ushers will direct delegates to the spillover area with available seat and LED the screen for live viewing. Doon po tayo sa LED, doon sa mga mag-overs late, sa mga late. Okay? Event day and on-site, crowd control and ushering. Crowd control officers will monitor crowd behavior and address any negative unsafe behaviors of delegate if necessary. Ushers are the one who will mandate the seating arrangement. Yan. Crowd control and ushers will prevent loitering, unnecessary noise among the brethren. Crowd control and ushers will restrict the delegates in stepping on the tartan rubber floor. Ang ating event day on-site help desk for any concern, assistance, or lost and found, please approach the nearest help desk for ushers. Wala pa yung tatlo rito. Papuntahin na rito kasi baka may mga short questions sila mamaya. Okay? Event day on-site exit. An exit lane will be designated at the entrance gate. Delegate may still go in and out of the stadium to use the restroom or buy food and drink for the concessionaries outside. To re-enter the stadium, delegate must pass through the entry lane and present their wristband again for security screening. After the event, all gates will be opened. Blue guards will guide or orderly exit of all delegate and guests. Sa event day on-site, certain areas of the stadium will have restricted access only. Brethren are not allowed to enter or pass through these areas. Crowd control officers will be strictly implementing this restriction. Okay? Safety guidelines, medic response, and emergency plans. Keep the passageways, stairways, elevators clear, especially during the times of emergency. Avoid health risks by observing hand washing habits and cup etiquette. Wear a face mask if necessary. Smoking cigarette, vaping, illegal drugs, and consumption of alcohol. Mukhang hindi ito applicable sa atin. Magdala rin tayo ng alcohol. Kasi siyempre, kakamay tayo doon, di ba? Alcohol, okay. Medic response, report to the nearest medic table. In your section, if you have experienced any pains, difficulty of breathing, and other reaction and condition, in case of medical emergency, immediately inform nearby ushers or crowd control officers and provide the following information: the name, age, gender, local, head pastor, incident. In the instant of a delegate needs further medical attention and needs to be brought to the hospital, medical expenses will be shouldered by the delegate. Emergency plan, in case of the evacuation during emergency, kindly stay calm and await guidance of the crowd control officer to exit the venue. Okay, ito na po tayo sa program. Last na po ito. Last 2 page na lang po. Ito po ang program natin. Ang part 1 ay ang Grand Worship. The parade of flags and processional will start at 3 p.m. leading to worship proper. During communion, brethren must remain standing in their areas and await for usher to distribute the communion bread and cup. During special greetings from evangelicals and government officials, we expect brethren to be courteous and respectful by staying in their seats and responsive. Hindi lang ho natin papalakpakan yung ating mga tagapanguna. Kasi pag hindi ho natin pinalakpakan yung kanilang mga bisita, baka mapahiya ho sila, hindi na ho bumalik sa atin. So, magbibigay po tayo ng courtesy sa kanila. Okay? Concert and intermission, 45 minutes intermission to prepare for grand celebration. Ministers who are in the grass area will transfer their chairs to the covered tartan. Meron ba tayong explanation nito? Dito kayo, sister, para if ever na ano. Nasaan si Rex? This is a once-in-a-lifetime celebration with never-before-seen performances that will last for about an hour. Okay, ito po yung sa grand celebration. Pagkatapos po ng ating concert and intermission, mostly gabi na po ito. So, talagang i-orient natin ang mga kapatid, once na sila pumunta ron, mula tanghali hanggang gabi na po ito. They have to be ready na ganun katagal ang ating service. Okay? At alalahanin natin sa atin na makabahagi ng Iglesia ng Panginoon, ito po ay hindi na mauulit sapagkat wala namang rewind. Hindi na po ito mauulit, ang ating preparation ay hindi na mauulit. At kung hindi pa dumating ang Panginoon, probably sa 75th na ulit. At maaaring marami nang wala sa atin. Kaya sulitin na natin ang 50th. Ministers processional. Ayan po. Yun po ang assembly area. Pakicheck nga yung assembly area sa taas. Nasa part po tayo in between CD and DE. Yan, Ministers Assembly Area. Yan po. Alalahanin po natin, huli nating ginawa po ito, yung processional, ay sa Luneta. Pero yung style before, yung sa Marikina Sports Center. Umikot po tayo. Siguro that was 15 to 20 years ago. So ito ay gagawin po natin. Yan. Okay, yan po ang flow. So wag po natin kakalimutan between CD, DE. Okay? Ngayon, ang Ministers Worship Seating Area. Ipakita natin yung blue mark. Next page. Yan. Yang pong blue Ministers Worship Seating Area. Yan. Yung kulay green, Ministers Concert and Celebration Seating Area. Yun po yung kulay green. Ito po ay lahat ay nasa primer ng coordinators. Okay? Nasa others na po tayo, liability. The organizing committee is not liable for personal injuries sustained for the COVID-19 health risk that may occur or for loss or damage to the private property belonging to the attendees, either during or as a result of the event. Disclaimer, while every attempt will be made to ensure that all aspects of the PMCC Portwatch Golden Year and celebration mentioned in this guide will take place as scheduled, the organizing committee reserve the right to make changes should the need arise. Contact details, should you have any question or require further assistance, you may contact the head pastor of your local church.